right, folks, got a 2011 Hyundai Sonata with a 4-cylinder. We are going to change the air filter today. All right, so the air filter, the way it comes out is there's 4 clips, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, exactly just like that. Okay, so it's 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then this lid will lift up a little bit for you to see what the filter looks like. All right, so let's get the ones on top first. 1, 2, 3. The one over here that's hidden with the little dirt is 4. And this whole assembly is going to come out. I'm going to take a peek at that filter. All right, let me set you up on this pod here. All right, so here it is. We're going to replace it with a STP model number SA10881. All right, so after I did the 4 clips, this thing here will lift up enough for you to take a peek at the filter, and the filter will come out as one piece. Oh yeah, you can see how filthy it is. Okay, ta-da! Look at that. Think it's got enough dirt in there? Yeah. If you want to open up the pleats, it's even worse. See that? Okay, it's been around for a while. Looks like it hasn't been changed in ages. All right, so the new one, it's in here. Okay, what we're gonna do is, you know what? Take a peek in there. If you got debris in there, like I see here, gotta get it out. The best way to get it out is with a little blower or a vacuum. Let me go get my little blower. All right, so what I usually do is I take a nice clean rag, I shove it in that hole in there so the debris does not go into the engine compartment, into the engine itself. I take my little trusty rigid blower, nice little handy one. I'm gonna hold the rag and I'll blow this all out. Once it's all out, take the rag out. A lot of people forget that rag. And once that gets sucked into the engine compartment and locks up your throttle plate, you're going to be in big trouble. And that's going to be a problem. All right, so it only goes in one way, people. Okay, it's all shaped the same direction. So I'm going to lift this up, slide this in there. Let it sit down. It should sit nice and flush. We're going to place this lid back on like that. Put the clips on. It's 1, 2, 3, and the last one, 4. All right, there she is. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're all done. All right, so yes, change the air filter, people. This will become a problem for you. Engine can't breathe. That's it. Thanks for watching. Ciao.